What is up guys, Stan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to resize your Windows 11 taskbar. So first you need to click on the Windows button and then you need to head over to settings. And after going to the settings, you need to click on system. After clicking on system, you need to click on display. After clicking on display here, you will see the scale option. As you can see, it has been set to 125%. I can change it percentage wise. Let's say I go with 100. So here this just minimizes the taskbar, but it also minimizes the whole screen. So that's not a perfect solution like to just minimize. We want to just minimize the taskbar and it minimizes all the screen. But the another option is through Windhawk. So first you need to install the Windhawk application, and then here in the Windhawk application, you will see the taskbar height and icon size. Simply click on details, and after clicking on details, you just simply need to click on install, and then you can install this taskbar height and icon size extension, and then you can change the size of your taskbar. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.